Does the idea of creating a presentation on Zoom or any other live webinar type platform give you anxiety? Do you worry that you'll be judged, that you won't look professional enough, or that you might make your company look bad? How about this? If this presentation is part of your job, are you worried that it may affect your next review? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a quick presentation on Zoom that will make your boss and you proud. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Cheryl Tan, the founder of Master Video Today. It's a community that offers training, accountability, and support for your marketing teams. Subscribe to this channel for video strategies you can use in your business right now. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon, and you won't miss a thing. If you currently do live presentations online, whether it's on Zoom or another platform, I would love to hear about it. What worked for you and what didn't? What are some best practices you can share? Let's have a conversation in the comments. If you would like a simple guide that takes you step by step to get started with your video equipment setup, your studio design, your lighting, I'll tell you how you can get my Getting Started with Video guide at the end of this video. My first tip for a great Zoom presentation is to be engaging. And you may be thinking, I don't quite feel comfortable with this yet to even focus on being engaged, but please hear me out. People like to be around other people who are enjoying themselves. And if you can focus on engaging your audience and making sure they are having a good time, you will start to enjoy yourself as well. And then your audience will see you enjoying yourself. I see it all the time with people who work with me in any of my programs. During your presentation, smile. Ask questions of your audience. Listen when they speak, or if they put a comment in the chat section, respond to them. And when this happens, the focus is not so much on you, but on the topic itself. I have a whole list of videos you can watch that will help you feel more confident with being on camera, and you can watch those videos here. What I've noticed is people feel more confident when they look their best. Wear a color you love. Sit in front of a window so light is on your face. Make sure you are recording your video in a quiet place, or use a microphone if you're worried there will be too much noise in your video. And you'll have the very basics of good video covered. You may also start to have fun with connecting with people through video, and if you do, please let me know. Tip number 2 is to keep things simple. In the very beginning of your presentation, tell your audience what they'll learn. Teach them that thing, and then recap what you taught them. Think of it like a roadmap for your audience. So often we want to complicate things by adding things to your presentation, and this is not the time to get fancy. You want to be clear, create a simple roadmap for your audience to follow, deliver on that roadmap, and have people enjoy being in your presentation. And when your presentation is finished, give your audience something to do. Give them a step to do after your talk is over. Maybe they need to fill out a survey or sign up for another class or leave a review. Before you sign off and leave Zoom, this is the best time to get feedback on what you talked about. Maybe your presentation was designed to show them how you can help them do something, organize their files, or put together a presentation, or manage a project. And the step after your talk could be to book a call with you. If that's the case, let them know what to do. Giving your audience that next step will help reinforce what you talked about, and it helps them look forward to how you or your company can help them in the future. If you or your team would like to talk about how to make your next presentation more engaging, you can book a consultation call with me here. See what I did there? Online presentations are everywhere, and with these tips, you can stand out in all of the noise. Be engaging, keep it simple, and give your audience something to do afterward. If you like this video or have another idea for a video you would like to see, hit the like button and post your ideas in the comments below. You can get the link to my Getting Started with Video guide in the description below. Not sure if the message in your presentation is clear enough? I do have another video for you to check out next.